Traders are feeling social this week. James O'Malley of Option Hacker joins us now, and Twitter reports today. What do the charts have to say?
So Twitter is an interesting one because we've seen a lot of these social media stocks, namely Facebook, coming back in a very strong way here, yet Twitter hasn't quite put together the same type of rally. They haven't been a public company for as long as Facebook, but generally they tend to disappoint on earnings. Investors don't really find the things that they're looking for in the earning reports from Twitter. It's sold off 2 of the past 3 quarters. So unfortunately, I don't think I can justify a long position here in Twitter. I'll be looking to play it flat to short ahead of earnings.
In the options market, call buyers have been stepping up the pace with Facebook. Do you think this stock is likely to rally off of earnings?
I think Facebook is extremely likely to rally off of earnings. I think this stock wants to go to 100. We're seeing really strong charts here. We're seeing a lot of bullish options activity. If we take a look at what they're implying for earnings specifically, we're seeing that the market makers are looking for a move higher, just below $6. That's a pretty sizable move to the upside in Facebook, which would give me a target right around 86 by Friday's close. Now, it's rallied 6 of the past 8 quarters on earnings historically, so I think this is a pretty solid setup from here to get long Facebook ahead of earnings.
Last but not least, LinkedIn also reports in with earnings, James.
Right, so LinkedIn is another interesting one because this one trades at a much higher dollar amount. They tend to price in a little bit too much movement in LinkedIn ahead of earnings. Traders usually expect it to move more than it does. So my strategy when trading LinkedIn around earnings is to look for good credit spreads to sell to try to fade that implied movement. So I do think that the stock is going to move. If I had to pick a direction, I would say higher. However, I don't think it's going to move that much.
Not a big mover there. Thank you, James.
Thank you.